2025 McLaren 750S. Sharper, lighter, and even more thrilling. If you thought the McLaren 720S was impressive, wait until you meet its successor, the 2025 McLaren 750S. Building on everything that made the 720S such a standout, the 750S takes performance and design to the next level. McLaren's formula might sound straightforward: more power, less weight, better aerodynamics, but the outcome is far from ordinary. It's an exotic, street-legal machine that combines track-ready speed with surprising day-to-day usability. This isn't just a car, it's an experience. Available as either a sleek coupe or an open-air spider, the 750S brings supercar thrills with everyday practicality. Need proof? It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, hugs corners with up to 1.13 G of grip, and hits a top speed of 206 miles per hour. Yet, thanks to a smooth ride and a front lift system to clear steep driveways or speed bumps, it's just as capable on the city streets as it is on a racetrack. Cargo space is minimal, so travel light or solo. Not that it's a problem. Once you're in the driver's seat, you won't want to give it up. What's new for 2025? For the 2025 model year, McLaren has added a few stylish updates to keep things fresh. Every 750S now comes with a Papaya Orange start button, a nod to the brand's signature color and racing heritage. A newly offered stealth badge package blacks out the exterior and wheel badges for a more aggressive, understated look. McLaren also offers carbon fiber front fenders painted in body color, along with high-gloss carbon fiber vents, adding a subtle yet premium touch. And for those who want to truly make the 750S their own, McLaren Special Operations (MSO) is ready to deliver. From custom paint and brake caliper colors to mirror accents and bespoke interior touches, the customization possibilities are nearly endless. Choose from 12 preset design themes, or go completely custom and let MSO bring your vision to life. Price and which version to choose. The 2025 McLaren 750S starts at $318,085 and, depending on the options, can climb up to $337,195. No matter how you configure it, it's nearly impossible to spec one the wrong way. But here's something to note. If you opt for all the lightweight and carbon fiber goodies, the coupe shaves off 108 pounds compared to the Spider. That also means a bit more money, but hey, less weight, more speed. Under the hood, engine, transmission, and performance. Tucked behind the cabin is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8, delivering a thrilling 740 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque straight to the rear wheels. The power is managed by a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, which shifts with lightning precision. On the road, or the racetrack, the 750S feels like a true evolution. We've tested the coupe on Portugal's famed Circuito do Estoril and through winding California canyons, and it impressed us on every level. The updated aerodynamics generate significantly more downforce than the 720S. While the new hydraulic suspension, equipped with lighter springs and dampers, offers more feedback and sharper response through corners. And when it's time to slow down or ease over obstacles, just tap a button to lift the nose. Simple. Blistering acceleration. Numbers don't lie. In our tests, the 750S hit 60 miles per hour in an eye-watering 2.3 seconds. That's not only faster than the Ferrari 296 GTB, it also makes the 750S the quickest rear-wheel drive car we've ever tested. Let that sink in. Fuel economy. You don't buy a McLaren for fuel savings, but for the curious. The 750S averaged 12 miles per gallon in our mixed driving test. We're planning to run it through our 75 miles per hour highway loop soon, and we'll update with real-world results. For now, EPA figures are available online for more official info. Interior design, comfort, and storage. Step inside the 750S and you'll find a driver-focused cabin that blends simplicity with high-end materials. Buyers can choose between Alcantara, faux suede, or leather upholstery, with optional contrast stitching to add a splash of personality. Unlike many modern cars, the steering wheel is completely button-free, emphasizing the pure driving experience. The Spider version offers slightly less rear cargo space than the coupe due to the retractable roof, but both models include a front trunk, though it's modest in size, especially compared to something like a Corvette. Infotainment and tech. Tech-wise, the 750S is straightforward. A 7.0-inch vertical touchscreen houses most functions, including climate controls, audio, and ambient lighting. Apple CarPlay comes standard, but Android Auto is not available, unfortunately. Music lovers will appreciate the Bowers and Wilkins premium audio system, complete with amplifier and McLaren's Continuum speaker cones. If you can bring yourself to drown out the engine's incredible soundtrack, that is. Safety features. While McLaren skips traditional driver assistance features like lane keep assist or adaptive cruise, it focuses instead on helping owners protect their investment. Practical tools like parking sensors, a front lift system, and an optional 360-degree camera help you keep the bodywork in perfect condition. For official crash safety ratings, check with the NHTSA or IIHS websites. Key features include standard front and rear parking sensors, optional front-end lift system, optional surround view camera, warranty and maintenance coverage. McLaren's coverage is solid and straightforward. 3-year limited warranty with unlimited mileage. 3-year powertrain warranty, also unlimited miles. Complimentary maintenance for 3 years. Extended warranties are available up to 12 years, with an annual mileage cap of 12,000 miles. Final thoughts. The 2025 McLaren 750S isn't just an update, it's a sharp, refined, and thrilling step forward for one of the most exciting supercars on the market. Whether you're carving through back roads, dominating track days, or simply turning heads at your local coffee shop, the 750S delivers a driving experience that's nearly unmatched. It's exotic, loud, customizable, and incredibly fast, but also remarkably livable. If you're in the market and considering your options, McLaren even offers an online comparison tool to help you stack up the 750S against other contenders.